So hello guys, let's continue our training. And right now I will use wall equipment. Yes, put my feet, and also we today use exercise from new topic, pelvic floor routine. Also join for our club of learning something new. Yes, go. In this exercise you need keep balance. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and also try. Oops, it's very hard, you can believe me. Also you can see this. Yes, close and open. And this exercise you can feel most full muscles of your body, also blood circulation because it's very it's very hard. Okay, also we'll try this, and let me know in comments how do you feel after this exercise. And go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, also in this exercise you feel all your hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Ooh, okay, it was hard. Also compensation for your hands. Yes, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and another 1 2 3 4 and 5, and 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so do this exercise, please try. Maybe it looks like very strange, yes, but it's very strong exercise, yes, for boost your muscles. So thank you, do this exercise, and welcome to another videos. Bye bye.